Hello and welcome to the BOOX channel. As a versatile ePaper tablet, our device can ignite your creativity by serving as a digital sketchbook. Let me show its capabilities and introduce you to some incredible features. For digital artists, the Paperlike Display relieves strained eyes, and the sound of pen gliding across the screen is so satisfying to hear. With 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity, the stylus touch is super responsive. You can draw lines with different thicknesses by adjusting pressure and tilt angles. On the top toolbar, there are 5 types of brushes. You can pick a pen to jot down interesting ideas, bringing your mind theater to life. Or you can choose a marker to add some soft hues to your sketches. On the side toolbar, there are various sizes of canvases to suit different needs. Sleek and lightweight, BOOX tablets are a perfect companion for classroom exercise and outdoor sketching. With a series of handy tools, you can start a pleasant day of painting from outlining to detailing. Tap Layers and you can add multiple layers to separate elements, making it easier to manage different parts. What's more, we provide 5 types of erasers for flexible editing. Stroke Eraser allows you to remove particular strokes, while Lasso Eraser enables you to get rid of a specific area. When you need to work on details, try our Zoom tools. You can pinch to zoom in and out, or use the marquee zoom to add subtle shading and highlights. The glare-free ePaper screen is gentle on your eyes, even with long-term use. If you want your painting to be more vibrant, our brush panel provides 16 colors to help you convey energy and mood. In addition, you can use the Lasso tool for precise selecting and editing, making everything right and perfect. One of the best parts of digital sketches is that they can be saved and transferred between devices. Aided by our convenient BOOX drop, you can effortlessly transfer your paintings from a BOOX device, computer, and smartphone. Finally, you can set your painting as the screensaver to personalize your BOOX tablet. Try a new way to preserve the sparks of inspiration. Enjoy the comfort of ePaper and the efficiency of Android tablets. That's all for today. See you next time.